Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's make this delicious snacks together. I have my sugar here. I add my oil also. So the next thing I will stir before I add water. I'm going to add water to dissolve the sugar. So I keep on stirring before I add a little bit of water. Now I add water. I will keep on stirring before I add my pinch of salt. Guys, will you try this recipe? Let me know on the description box. Let's continue with the video. So now I add a pinch of salt on it also. I'm going to steep my flour. It's very important to steep flour so that everything can be smooth when you are mixing the dough together. So now I'm going to add, I have my powder milk also, my baking powder. So I'm going to steep everything together. So that is what I'm just doing right now as demonstrated on the video. So the next thing, when I finish with that, I will wash my hand. I'm going to use my hand when I finish with this. I'm going to use my hand to mix everything together now as demonstrated on the video, guys. It was really delicious and it's simple. So it's good to have snacks at home, especially when you have children. I keep adding water. I add a little bit of water. I don't want to pour everything once so that it doesn't get liquid. So that's what I'm doing right now. I keep kneading the dough, so I will soon be done with it. I'm going to cover to rest for 5 to 10 minutes before I roll the dough. Here I am. I'm going to cover to rest for 5 to 10 minutes, as I said before. 10 minutes later, I'm just going to flour my surface to cut the dough to the size that I'm going for today. So I cut it to make it easier when I'm rolling the dough. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just rolling the dough as demonstrating on the video. I am done with the rolling, so now I'm going to fold it. I'm just folding it gently, one side to the other. I'm just folding it. I doesn't ash with the dough, so I'm just folding it gently before I cut to my desired size that I'm going for. So now I continue the same process with other dough. That's what I'm just doing now. You remember that I cut it little so that it can be easy when I'm rolling. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to friends and family. God bless you as you do so. So I keep on repeating the same thing we did before. I'm just gently with the dough. I flour the surface so that it doesn't get sticky when I'm rolling the dough. You can see the way I'm just doing it gently. Keep on watching, guys. I'm done, guys. So I'm just going to cut to my desired size. Nothing too big, nothing too small. So just the way I'm doing it, you can cut any size you wish to cut yours. This is the size that I decide to cut today. So when I finish, I continue the same process with the rolling before I continue the frying, guys. You see, it was really beautiful. I have my oil here, guys, so I'm just going to fry on medium heat. Medium heat, guys. It don't have to be too low, it don't have to be too high. When it's too high, it get burn. When it's too low, it will absorb oil. Just put it on medium heat. So look at how beautiful it is, guys. It really look amazing. Guys, I really appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share to friends and family. Look at it, our snacks is ready. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.